Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the UWP Roblox app is installed and updated. This ensures compatibility with the account manager. Next, enable developer mode in Windows and sign into the same Microsoft account the UWP uses so permissions align. Once done, backup local Roblox settings and export any account manager data or config files to a safe folder. This prevents data loss and makes it easy to restore state if an update or repair alters files later. Now focus on repairing and replacing core components. Run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter and use the Store App Repair option for Roblox to fix manifest mismatches. Then open PowerShell as administrator and re-register the Roblox package to rebuild app registrations. This resolves many UWP account manager issues. Make sure to stop the app, then replace corrupted account manager config files with your backups. After replacing, reset file permissions to the app user so Roblox can read and write account data correctly. Finish by restarting Windows and testing account switching and login flows inside the UWP Roblox app. Validate each account signs in and persists. If credentials fail, clear relevant entries in Windows Credential Manager and re-add accounts so tokens refresh cleanly. If problems continue, perform a clean reinstall of the UWP Roblox app, then restore your backed up account manager files and re-register package one more time. Troubleshooting tip: check Event Viewer for package or permission errors. Those logs point to the exact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.